Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be solving another exponential equation where we are given that 4 to the power of 5 to the x equals 5 to the power of 4 to the x. And of course, we want to solve for x. But before we do that, hit the subscribe button for more interesting videos. Now, at first, you might say that we can't do anything with this because we can't factor anything, or we can't manipulate anything, or we can't substitute anything with something else. So we can't solve this, right? But we can. So I hope you know this, and you should, that whenever we are dealing with an exponential equation, one of the greatest tools that we have is a logarithm. So in this case, and in many other cases, what we need to do is to take the log of both sides and then use the power rule. So first, let's go ahead and talk about the power rule. So the power rule in logarithm states that whenever we have log of an exponent, like a to the power of n, we can take the power and bring it in front and use it as the coefficient of log, which means that this equals n times log a. So let's go ahead and use this to solve our equation. But first, we need to take the log of both sides. And if you do that, we're going to have log of 4 to the power of 5 to the x equals log of 5 to the power of 4 to the x. And then, by using the power rule, we can say that the left-hand side is equal to 5 to the x, which is our power, times log 4. And the right-hand side is going to be 4 to the x times log 5. Great. Next, let's go ahead and move the exponents on the same side and move logarithms on the same side. To do that, we need to divide both sides by 4 to the x. So we're going to have 5 to the x divided by 4 to the x times log 4 equals log 5. And then let's go ahead and divide both sides by log 4. So we're going to have 5 to the x divided by 4 to the x equals log 5 over log 4. Now, it is obvious that the left-hand side is equal to 5/4 all to the power of x. And by using the change of base formula, the right-hand side is equal to log 5 with base 4. So we all know that whenever we have log a with base b, we can express this as log a divided by log b. So this is true backwards. So log a divided by log b is equal to log a with base b, which means that log 5 divided by log 4 is just the same thing as log 5 with base 4. Make sense? Great. Next, notice that we have an exponent equals a number. And whenever we have an exponent like a to the power of x equals a number like b, and we want to solve for the power, what we want to do is to take the log of both sides with base of this number. So if you do that, we're going to have log of a to the power of x with base a equals log b with base a. And then by using the power rule, the left-hand side is going to be x, and the right-hand side is log b with base a. So as a result of that, I can go ahead and say that here x equals log of this number, which is log 5 with base 4, with base of this number, which is 5/4. So this is the x value we wanted to solve. And now for the last thing, let's go ahead and talk about the general result of this equation. So generally, we can say that whenever we have a to the power of b to the power of x equals b to the power of a to the power of x is going to be log of a with base b with base of a divided by b. Great. So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this. And if you did, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and I'll see you later.